Mr. R. Oh wait, whoa. Taft Chemistry, 5th grading period in review by Chris and Mr. R wanted us to learn, and I blank from his blank first period chemistry smile have learned to A level. The following concepts, chapters 17 through 19 of our chemistry book. This is not an inclusive list, but my selection of concepts from each chapter that I will remember. Smile. Instructions. Okay, chapter 17, thermochemistry. Thermochemistry. In an endothermic process, the system gains heat as the surroundings cool down. Heat flow is measured in 2 common units, the calorie and the joule.
That was fire.
Chapter 18, reaction rates and equilibrium. Rates of reaction. A rate is classified as the measure of the speed of any change that occurs within an interval of time. In chemistry, the rate of chemical change, or the reaction rate, is usually expressed as the amount of reacting changing per unit time. Also in chapter 18, reversible reactions and equilibrium. A reversible reaction is one in which the conversion of reactants to products and the conversion of products to reactants occurs simultaneously. Science. 18.3, solubility equilibrium. The smaller the numerical value of the solubility product constant, the lower the solubility of the compound. Common ion effect. A common ion is an ion that is found in both salts in a solution. Okay, chapter 19.
I beat that. Chapter 19, acids, bases, and salts. Why do we have salts? I don't know. Anyway, key concepts. Acids taste sour, bases are bitter. Kind of a no-brainer. Anyway. And flow field separated. Both are electrolytic conductors in all aqueous solutions. I'm surprised I can read this, but hey, it's good. It's good. I don't know the word acid. U is hydrogen, ions, and aqueous? What is that? Aqueous. Okay.
Oh, arrhenius.
Yeah, oh, arrhenius. Oh. What about that better? No. Just a little more flamboyant. Let me do that. And yields hydroxide ions. Number 2, on the other hand, on the pH scale, 0 is strong acidic, while 7N is neutral. You know, in between the two things. And 14 is pretty much just on base. Not base like whooped and done. I mean, base. Yeah. You go ahead. Anyway, uncommon misconception. Better than that. Is that only strong acids burn. You know, I think I know that. When in fact, strong bases can burn just as bad. So acid base. You know, you can make salt by mixing those together. And weak acid is citric acid, which you can find pretty much most citrus fruit, including lemons, oranges, and such. Not like it's gonna hurt anything like that. And strong base has antacids such as Tums and Pepto. You know, I don't like to say those things. They're bitter, they're chalky. But hey, alright. So that pretty much sums it up.
And kiwis.
Yeah, you bring that in at the last moment.
Yeah, kiwis are citrus.
Should I bring a bucket
Citric
of
acid in them. I never knew that. That's something new for me. All right, let's hear it for them.